Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have been really slacking on these Easter DIYs. I had like a really good head start and then I just kind of quit. And I guess that's because life happens and I had so much that I really wanted to get done and now I feel like I'm way behind. So I am still gonna be doing Easter DIYs up until like mid next week, but you can also kind of round these into spring as well. So I feel like once Easter's on, you don't have to take care of these and like put it up for the next year. I think you can leave it out like all spring, even maybe like summer long. So I'm gonna get started. I'm doing 4 different types of DIYs and let's just go. For this first DIY, you're going to need 2 of these oil warmers or wax warmers. I'm not really sure what they're called, but you'll need 2 of these from the Dollar Tree. And then also I had 2 of these like teal ones, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. So I'm just going to take some hot glue and glue them together. You could definitely use some E6000 if you want it to last longer. But I didn't know if I eventually, somewhere down the road, wanted to turn this into a different project. So I just used hot glue so it can eventually be taken apart. But this was so easy, so like I said, I just glued the 2 together, and then I picked up these little burlap birds from Hobby Lobby for 87 cents, and then I just picked up some reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree, and then just hot glued some right to the top. I did it to both colors of these, and then I had some leftover eggs, and I just stuck some moss and eggs into the little holes of the oil warmers and glued the birds right to the top of these. And this was super easy and it turned out so cute, and I think you could leave this around all spring and summer long. I absolutely love these. These are so easy, but they are like my favorites.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.
This next one is really easy too. I just use this flower and garden little bin or this little basket. Oh my gosh, well, I don't know where my words are today. This little tin. And then I took some floral foam and these cone flowers and lilacs, and I just put these all in together just to make a little cute floral bouquet. I didn't have a whole lot of floral around my house, so I just wanted a couple pops of color, and I think this really did the job. And the floral foam kept moving around, so I did just hot glue it to the bottom of the tin. And then since you can see the floral foam at the bottom, I just take a bag of reindeer moss and just put the whole entire thing in the bottom so it covered that. And you guys, that is it. I know these were super simple and easy DIYs, but I think it brings out the nice little spring touches to your home. But if you guys liked these, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.